that shit got out the whole hell hard. Yeah. Let it coast. Yeah, let it coast. Oh shit, dude. Yo guys, it was a crazy night. Hey, I appreciate you giving me the shotgun in that car, bro.
Hey, no worries, bro. You deserve a ride in that.
Hey, you sent me that video?
I sent you that video. That's
wild, right there, right there. I got it. Hell yeah. Hopefully we put some outside shots for you guys. Man, that
it was a fun night, bro.
It was a fun night, man. I'm super bummed out. My fuel pump died today, but
it happens.
It's motivation, man. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff. Yeah, exactly. It's part of the game, guys. You guys gotta understand, when you start building cars that makes power, or cars you guys abuse, it's gonna break. Especially if it's a Honda, right? Especially if it's a Honda. But you know what you gotta do is you guys gotta bounce back. So I got a DW350 I'm gonna throw in my car, and I'm gonna run a dual pump setup, so that way I could ensure that if I ever have a failing pump again, I have another one under the car that I can just flip on and then, you know, get my car up and going again. But tonight I was able to get shotgun in Joaquim's car right here, and boy, I'm super pumped. Even if my car is down, I'm super pumped to get it up and going again. So I think we're gonna end the video right here, guys. If you guys enjoyed a little bit of the all-wheel drive Civic in action tonight, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with everybody. Share it with your grandma. Share it with your cats. And if you guys want to stick around for some more hood rat shit like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. See you guys.